Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
I have a private label rights ebook here, and basically what I want to do is I want to turn this into a video course. So it's worth a lot more if I were to sell it, and it's a unique product. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to highlight, I'm going to break it into chapters or sections. So I'm going to highlight the whole first section, and I'm basically just going to copy all that text. Then I'm going to go over to the video software, and I'm going to click New, and all I have to do here is choose a theme. All right, so to start with, I'm just going to go with this theme here and click OK. Now I'm going to click on script and I'm going to paste in all that text. Now I want this to not just have text, but I want it also to have a voiceover, so it's that much more powerful and valuable. So I'm going to choose the language, and in this case I'll just go with English US. I could choose the voice, and then I'm going to save that voice file. Now, once I've saved it, all I'm going to do is click on OK, and the software is going to do all the work for me. It creates all of the slides with all of the text. It's perfectly formatted, and they even have kinetic effects and everything else. So if I were just to render this right now and make the video, it would play the slides one after another. It would have the voiceover, and it would draw them out in kinetic, like cool looking text. But we want to do a little bit more than that. So let's go ahead and go to sounds, and let's add a music background track. Music makes videos seem really, really cool and more valuable. So we're going to add a music track, and I want to put it on low volume because I just want it to be sort of ambient sound in the background. I'm going to loop the playback, and I'm going to add a fade to the entrance and exit of it. And you'll notice it adds the audio track, music track down there. Now I could just go up here and produce it, and I would have this entire video created literally in minutes. And I can just do the same thing for as many videos as I want to make. But let's say I want to add even more effects and make it even cooler and more unique. I could change the theme in one click. I can go ahead and select a different background. Let's say that I wanted to change the background. It's something about health. So I'm going to grab a healthy image. I can upload my own images also, or use any of the ones that are included. And I can apply it to all the slides or just one in one click. And so now I've changed the entire look and feel in literally one click. I can add text. I can edit any of the text or the effects that are on there. And I can obviously change the colors and the fonts and all of those things as well in the text menu. I also have the ability to add images. Okay, so I can go ahead and add animations. I can add buttons. I can add characters. I can add cutouts, effects, graphics, overlays. Again, I can upload my own or just click one and add it to any of the slides. I can add sounds. I can add sound effects. I can change the music track. I can add videos before, after, or in between the slides. And I can even add slide transitions. So all of those different things can be done. In addition to translating the language, I could produce this in a bunch of different languages with the audio also read in a different language. So if I wanted this to be in Spanish or French, I could change all the text to French and make the French voiceover. If I wanted it to be Spanish, I could do the same thing. So this works in any and every market, any and every country. And to create the video, all I would have to do is click on Produce. I choose my quality, and I go ahead and click Start. But what I want to do is I actually want to load in a project that I've already saved, where you can see the same project, but you can see it in with a lot more stuff done to it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to load this project in, and you're going to see just another example of exactly how you can do literally the same product, but create it as something completely different based on the way that you design it. And so you have tremendous power to be able to make tons of different things. But the most important thing is the fast and easy way you could do this in just minutes. So you have ultimate flexibility, but you also have ultimate simplicity. And now let me show you what the output looks like so you can see what the finished video is and how awesome it is.
Eat yourself thin. Metabolic stimulation secrets. Fat burning basics. If you're overweight, you are not a bad person. You're simply overweight. But it's important to lose the extra pounds. So you'll look good, feel healthier, and develop a sense of pride and self-esteem. Once you've lost the fat, you'll need.
So you can see the quality of the videos that it creates. And this is just one simple example that we literally did in just a couple of minutes.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.